Hello! I am the Summer.
I'm Dana.
And welcome to Mates Do Stuff. Today, we have some different balls.
Some snackles by Zuru. Which snackle will you unpackle?
Which snackle will you snackle unpackle? We saw this fluffy thing and we were like, it's a fluffy.
And it holds Pringles. I want the Pringles chicken.
Yeah, we've got like a selection here. I'm trying to have a look at the ones that I'd like. The axolotl.
Oh yeah. What do you think of this weird bunny with the one coloured ear?
Ooh, I like the rainbow unicorn.
Ramen dog.
Ooh, ramen dog. Yeah, we both like ramen.
Let's unbox these balls.
Oh, cute!
With Tabasco sauce. I've never had Tabasco sauce.
Neither have I now I think about it. But that looks cute. Is it squishy? Ooh.
It is a bit squishy. You got a unicorn.
I got the rainbow unicorn. There's like a little packet thing.
Yes, there is also a packet thing.
Let's see what that's about in a second. Look, we got
What's
a
unicorn
little...
holding? Fruit Loops. We've seen enough of these cereals.
Yeah. Fruit Loops unicorn. That's quite cute. It is really nice and squishy.
It is very soft. I like the teeth detail on the dragon. I like the embroidered eyes. They're not just printed on.
Yeah, it is one of those super squishy ones. Gotta be honest, I think I prefer the Tabasco dragon over the unicorn because that hair looks a bit matted. I'm gonna have to
brush it out with a toothbrush or something.
Yeah.
This one's got scale patterns in its fur, but also some leaking fluff coming out of the seams.
The back of mine actually seems to be sewn right. I'm gonna cut that tag off.
They have quite annoying arms.
And I'm gonna brush that hair. The hair's a bit matty. So yeah, this is plastic, and then the other thing. We'll see what this is.
This other thing. It's what might be a sticker for snackles and a sticker for Tabasco sauce.
Yeah, I've got a Kellogg sticker and a snackle sticker and the guidebook to
Felix. The dragon's called Felix.
Oh, right. So I've got
Richard.
Richard. I want to say Ricardo. Where am I going with that? Yeah, I've got Richard. Richard the rainbow unicorn.
I don't actually know some of these products, like Hershey's. I've only seen that because I've seen some of their mini brands.
Yeah, I've never had Hershey's.
Is here in this country.
I don't know.
I don't think I've ever seen Cinnabon in this country either. I don't personally know of Mike and Ike.
Mike and Ike, never heard of. Plush Pop.
Oh yeah, the Push Pop. We have something similar, but not that particular style.
Never heard of that. Tabasco sauce, I've definitely seen it. It's around a lot of places, I've just never tried it. Not really a fan of super hot stuff, so maybe I've just assumed that it's hot, and maybe it's not. I'm wrong.
I also don't know.
Maybe I should try it. Pringles, big thing.
Big thing. Chupa Chups, lollies.
Yeah, we get.
Maruchan ramen noodle soup. We get plenty of ramen noodles. I don't think we have the brand Maruchan.
I wouldn't know. I've never actually checked for that one because I'm too much into the waggy mamas.
We get a lot of them, but there's just a few things that we don't get here.
Yeah.
And what's this? Zuru Snackles Stories. Okay.
Oh yeah, we've got like a little comic.
Dragon's got a birthday cake. Dragon notices birthday cake is not lit.
We'll bring that into thing.
Dragon gets sauce, drinks sauce, suddenly has some issues, and then lights birthday candle. And then he's happy that his birthday candle is lit. And then he blows it out. Yeah.
I'm going to assume Tabasco sauce is hot.
Yeah, me too.
For this one, we've got unicorn eats Fruit Loops, gets sick.
Sneezes and Fruit Loops comes out of its horn.
And then people are happy.
Everyone comes over for a party for some reason.
Don't make me want to eat any Fruit Loops, gotta be honest.
The comic is a bit random.
Yeah.
I mean, they've got names, which is nice.
The plush is cute. Ultimately, I'm gonna say not worth £10.
Not for us, no.
No, this is...
Quality's nice enough. You know, maybe it is worth the £10 if this is something you're into.
Yeah, I'd definitely say the dragon is a lot better than the unicorn. Of the, like, printed patches, it seems to have a lot more detail on it. And
sparkle horns, sparkle wings.
The unicorn just seems a bit matty. There seems to be some sewing issues, like around the hands.
Leakage of the fluff on the back of this one.
Yeah, but it is super squishy, except for the plasticky bit. Part of me thinks I'm just going to take this off and just have a nice squishy thing.
Yeah, it is a nice squish.
Yeah.
It's not slow rise or anything, it's just squishy.
Yes. Anywho, I have a mystery for you.
A mystery? Get out of my way, dragon.
We have a mystery box.
A mystery box? A box of mysteries?
A box of mysteries, which I'm trying to not reveal the side so that you don't see what's inside, but you probably have already seen the side by now. Okay?
I've not seen the side and I didn't put it onto the side, but I'm also thinking, how are we going to get into this? I'm going to have to see... Oh, I can see the side of yours.
Yeah, we might need the skizmats on this one. So, yeah. Real littles, I got us a little thing for us both.
Ooh.
And we're going to try and get inside these.
Ooh, so cute. Shoe bags, mystery shoes. And bags.
Yeah, there's a lot more in here than what I was thinking there was going to be.
Oh, I don't need that anymore.
And I got these sheep. I got these for £10.
Okay, that is fairly decent for the amount of things that come in them. When you think that these are about £10 each.
Yeah. Although it's because I was probably on a bit of a haul on the Amazon. I need a lot of stuff just lately. Let's begin with the bags. I like this bag. This bag looks kind of cool.
I think these are exactly the same bags, so is the stuff inside going to be exactly the same?
We'll find out.
Sometimes foreshadowing is relatively obvious.
I'll definitely use it as a gym bag in props and stuff. It's a bit big for the scale. Ooh!
Oh yeah, look at that.
Is that in a... Oh, it's in an actual case! It comes out!
Cute!
Alright, that's definitely going in the prop box.
Same.
It's a little... Oh, I've got a blue...
You got a blue casing?
Yes.
With a water bottle. Oh, there is a blue casing in here. I like the pink one with the cat ears. And the carabiner clip.
I don't have the water bottle.
What do you have instead?
I don't have anything.
What? Well, that's just... How can you just have 2 items? Is that why these things were on cheap? Because there's items missing?
Probably. Oh, I like that water bottle. That water bottle actually looks really good for the sets.
It looks like a decent size.
These look more like the 1/6 scale. We could use them as tablets.
Yeah, they seem tablet size for 1/6 fashion doll. Not much of a surprise in that though.
Ooh!
Headphones!
Headphones! And what have we got here?
Glasses.
Glasses.
That actually fold down.
Oh my gosh, those are cute.
So cute.
And they've got a glasses case. Mako is my Pure Nemo doll. Alright.
Glasses.
Glasses are perfect. And we'll try...
Headphones.
Headphones. Alright, headphones are a little bit too small.
Still, she's got buns in her hair.
Yeah, she does have buns in her hair. We'll try a Barbie. So, this looks like a 90s style head.
It does, doesn't it?
I think they're slightly bigger now. Headphones are better on the Barbie. Although, to be fair, I tend to go for different colours, so I'll probably repaint these.
You'd have to be careful because that action would probably chip paint.
Yeah. Glasses are a bit too big. So the glasses are great for Pure Nemo. Definitely wouldn't try them on a Monster High. They are way too small for a Monster High.
Shoes? Ooh. High tops. Fancy.
Now we have discovered that on flat-featured Barbie, these will fit. Ooh! Some sneakers. I love the little boxes.
Yeah, the shoe boxes make good props too.
So this is the older style Barbie, so they're probably going to be... They tend to look bigger on the foot, but I think for some dolls it actually works. I've got one doll where the size of the foot looks really good.
These might work better on that foot. Ugh, if I can even get them on.
They're a bit like the rainbow shoes that I've got.
Okay, there.
Yeah. Especially once you've got your trouser leg down on here. You're barely going to notice it. It's kind of funky. Nice
kind of
colours.
Makes her feet look more normal sized with the trousers down.
Yeah, definitely gives them more of a normal size appearance.
You stole the skizmats.
I did steal the skizmats.
Now I have to entertain the idea of getting into this thing. Thank you.
Don't worry, you don't have to entertain it for too long.
Oh, a different box.
Yeah. So, I had a blue box. I wonder if you've got exactly the same...
Yes, I wonder, because this is the pink shoe box, which you've just done.
Yeah.
So yeah, we'll find out.
Yep.
They are. Amazingly, these boxes were exactly the same, aside from one water bottle missing.
These are quite nice shoes.
Yeah, those are my favourite shoes out of the two.
I'd have to agree with that. Once you've got them on the doll and you've got some trousers on, they kind of work. Anyway, we've done our unboxing.
Oh yes, the unboxing of these, I'm not sure how I found them. I mean, I like them because one, they're cheap, and two, they do have stuff that works for the scale I like to work in.
The gym bag, I think, works the size with a Barbie because it looks like a gym bag.
Yeah, it's very big, but gym bags tend to be.
Yeah. This bag does not.
It kind of reminds me of a beach bag because you can see through it.
Yeah. I really can't see what I'd be using it for or anything. That is today's video. With very much, well, I've very much enjoyed it.
Me too.
Very happy with this. Not so much the plushies.
Yeah, I think it was nice for a one-off,
Yeah.
but would not be buying again.
I will not buy more plushies. I'll probably buy more random one-off real little boxes when I can get hold of them.
Yeah.
That is really it then. 5-star real little out of 5-star. It's really, I like the real little.
Normally we do things out of 10 stars, and I was thinking 5 out of 10 because it is a nice unboxing. It was a pleasant surprise.
In that case, we both agree on the star rating.
I guess we do.
Bye-bye.
Jam